My good buddy Amin and I just purchased this vintage car trailer. Now this is no ordinary car trailer. This trailer was designed specifically for race cars. Now we purchased this trailer from our good friends Peter and Sandra, and they're both very much auto enthusiasts, and Peter happens to be a professional welder, which is quite evident when you see the welds on this trailer. Have a look at some of these welds. I don't even think that was ever touched by a grinder, to be honest. That's a professional weld. I can only dream of doing that. But just look at this trailer. It's got that nice rail around the edge. Keep you from losing your vehicle during the worst of the trip. But aluminum checker plate all the way down. We got the aluminum fenders. And look at the incredible beaver tail in this thing. I mean, when it's sitting level on the ground, this trailer, the rear of it is only about 4 inches, 5 inches from the ground. You barely even need ramps. I mean, if you're loading a pickup truck, you're not even going to need ramps. But we do have the ramps, and they're very well built. Checker plate again, and it's so easy to load. You could load any vehicle, even a lowrider or whatever, on this beautiful trailer. It doesn't really need much. It's just been sitting in the sun for a while. So we're going to put tires on it, new brakes, new brake lines. It does have a little winch here. Don't know if we need it, but if we do, that's going to be handy. And it also has a nice little jack. We can just remove that and throw it in the back of the truck rather than drag it around. And it also has surge brakes. So we can tow this with just about any pickup truck. So we're going to rebuild all that, new master cylinder, new wiring, new brake lines, and just give it the whole treatment. And the best part about this trailer is, look how it matches my truck. It's perfect. Anyways, we're going to track the progress on this, and we'll post it on the channel as we get the things done on it. But and we'll give it a full paint job to boot. So I'm really looking forward to using this piece of equipment. All right, catch you later.